In this section, we are going to learn how to do some geometric constructions. In your book, it talks about doing constructions using a compass and a ruler and a pencil or pen. You're welcome to do your constructions that way. I prefer to do them using a technology tool called Geogebra. So that's the way that I'm going to demonstrate in these videos. If you prefer to use a regular physical compass, and if you have a physical compass and a ruler, you're welcome to do it that way as well. These constructions will work both ways. So in this first video, I'm just going to demonstrate how to get to GeoGebra. The first thing you want to do is type into your search bar. You can search for GeoGebra. It looks like geo and algebra, geometry and algebra mushed together. So geogebra.org. And once you get to it, the page will look like this. You can create an account if you want to and log in. That way it will save your drawings. You don't have to. But what you do have to do is click this button that says Start Calculator. So once you click the button that says Start Calculator, it will take you to this screen, which is basically a graphing calculator. Now, we don't need a graphing calculator at this point, so we're going to go up here to where it says Graphing, and there's a pull-down menu, and you can select a bunch of different modalities for GeoGebra. We're going to select geometry. So here we are in our geometry screen, and you'll notice some basic tools over here on the left. So you can move things. If you click on this move arrow, you can draw a point, a segment, a line, a polygon, and a circle with a center. You may want to play around with some of these tools. But I'm going to click on this More button because I want to scroll down here to where it says Circles, and I'm going to use the compass tool. This compass tool, you can use the tool that says circle with the center. However, because of the constructions that we're going to be making, the compass tool is sometimes easier to use. So that's going to be my suggestion. So whenever you see me drawing a circle in our constructions, I'm going to be using this compass tool. I'm also going to be constructing polygons, and I'm also going to be using line segments, lines, and rays. And I'm also going to be measuring angles and distances. So when I go to measure something, I'm going to be in this section that says measure over here. So let me just demonstrate some things that I'm going to be doing in a future video, and then you can play around with this a little bit. So if I click on segment, it tells me down here, select 2 points or positions. So I have to click on my screen. It's going to give me a point. It's going to automatically label it A. And then if I move my mouse around, you can see it's drawing a line, and it can get longer or shorter or go different directions, but I'm going to put it here, and when I click, it automatically gives me another point, and now my segment has been drawn. So that's how to draw a line segment. Another thing I want to point out is the compass tool. So for the compass, it says select a segment or 2 points for the radius and then the center point. So if I want my center point to be at A, and I want my radius to be the distance from A to B, I'm going to click on A, then click on B, There's my radius. And then I'm going to move back over to A. And I'm going to click on A again. And now my circle has a center at A, and its radius is the distance from A to B. So that's just a beginning of how to use some of these tools. And I'm going to record another video where I show you how to use the tools to construct some objects. So tune in later to see that.